With registration right around the corner, the WBBN crew is actively seeking dedicated and creative students to fill key production roles for next year. The major responsibility of the TV production class is to serve as the school's official voice, informing the student body about important news, club meetings, and academic updates through the weekly afternoon announcements. However, this course is far more than on-camera performance. It is a rigorous, practical, and highly successful program designed to train you in the fundamental skills of the communications industry. Through project-based learning, you will master real-world industry skills like proper shot composure, interviewing techniques, nonlinear editing, studio production, broadcast announcing concepts, field production, and writing skills. Bayside's TV production students use Adobe Premiere and the Creative Cloud suite to create everything from commercials to short films. The goal of the program is to make you career-ready. Advanced Level 2 and Level 3 students are working towards earning Adobe Certified Professional certifications in both Premiere Pro and After Effects, a professional credential that stands out on any college application or job resume. Throughout her 26 years as the instructor of this course, Ms. Potter has built a high-achieving program while maintaining a fun but challenging learning environment. This course is perfect for any student wanting to pursue a career in television or film after high school. So, if you're ready to show off your creative drive and build a portfolio of high-quality work, the possibilities in TV production are endless. Select this elective during registration or see Ms. Potter in room 206 for more details.